Do you want to see? What's that?
How long is that report? It just takes.
Recording.
Oh.
No, he's holding up so you can take a picture.
Look at that.
Madam,
Do you want to see what's inside?
We had to take
And then there's some stuff in here. Some cards, flashcards. And look at that. That's a cow. Want to see what else is in there? Puppy!
That's what I got.
That's what you got him?
You guys can't see him, but he's smiling at you and he's pointing
When
at
you
you.
press the button,
You see the
what does it
puppies.
do with the puppies?
What do you do?
Down at the bottom.
Yay!
That's a puppy.
Yay!
Oh, Lindsay. Good choice, Lindsay.
Yeah.
He's just like, I don't know what's going on. There's a puppy. That's what puppies do. I guess that's a guinea pig. That's a guinea pig. It's soft. Kitty
Yeah.
cat.
And they're up all night running on their circles.
Over here.
Camden now.
Guinea pigs.
And a parrot.
Over here, babe.
Over here.
Jennifer's.
Probably want a cracker?
Alone. And then when they had the little
Looks like a sponge monkey.
creatures.
Right? And there's more. Oh, going to bed, Michael. You gotta.
You're going to be reading for weeks.
See, that's good. A lot of reading to do.
Because
This is my
Harry
favorite.
told everybody, no gifts, but you